Hey, yo, Quantic, run them bands up.
Yeah. Go dummy, Kyle.
What's going on, guys? Quattro Game back in the building for a slick sad video. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. I was very excited to swap out my injectors because I thought that I had a bad injector. Cylinder 4 was just kind of like hissing and leaking out fuel. I was losing fuel pressure. It was throwing a low fuel pressure code, so I was like, okay, cool. I'll change the injectors. Everything should be good. So I just opened up the high pressure fuel pump area. With the world, the first red flag was that the high pressure fuel pump was under no tension. So the cam wasn't even trying to push the high pressure fuel pump out, which for you guys that have done that before, you already know that as soon as you take that last Torx bolt out, that high pressure fuel pump wants to jump out the hole. So we move over to what my high pressure fuel pump, the cam follower looks absolutely atrocious. So you guys, this is a lesson. Always change your cam follower as much as possible. I know they're expensive, but this could cost you a lot of money because it's possible I'm gonna need an entire new intake cam. We just have to see how bad that scoring is. I'm gonna have to take off the timing cover yet again, which you've seen in a previous video. I'm gonna pop that right up here. And yeah, I was halfway done with taking the intake manifold out for injectors, which we're still gonna do because we're halfway to it, but guys, change your cam followers, please. Okay, so I just finished removing the vacuum pump and the timing cover, and it looks like there's no extensive damage, although we're looking at, on the very, very edges of the lobes, there are indentions, but it doesn't even cross the entire lobe. It's actually just in the very center there. So hopefully I won't need to install a whole new camshaft. When I took out the case, I noticed that there was that chunk missing out there. I'm guessing where it exploded and decided it wanted to hit itself. And then there was also a chunk missing out of this piece here on the exhaust cam. So other than that, I'm not seeing any kind of extensive damage or even really too much glitter in the oil, which is good. These are the pieces that I got out of the timing chain cover, I'm sorry. And as you can see, it shattered. The cam follower shattered and just left a bunch of goodness down in the engine. So what I'm gonna do now is order a new fuel pump, order a new cam follower, and put that back together, and the injectors will be here tomorrow. So once we get the injectors, I'll be doing an injector install. And yeah, like I said, you guys stay tuned. Hopefully should be back running before too long. Thanks for watching.